I-eliminate.
It is yours.
Tulog na lahat ah.
It is yours, no? It is mine. Yeah, it is mine.
Ito? Ano na gusto kita ko?
Is it mine? Okay, tumawa!
Ha?
No, wait, I
Sino?
did it.
Okay,
And I have
dalawa.
the pink.
Okay.
No, not
Close your eyes.
the dark one.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, doctor. Open your eyes.
That's my one.
Okay.
No, this
Gusto mo
one is
siya
mine. That one's Sino ba?
i-heal or hindi? Okay, good.
Ah,
Night. Close your eyes again. Night. Night. Okay. Pili ka ng isang
Immune mo.
immune.
no. That's for the pet. If you see it there, don't grab it.
Okay.
No.
Fortune teller. Sino gusto mo makita ang card? Okay. Everyone, close your eyes. Now, open your eyes. Okay. So, hint lang yung fortune teller, nasa sa kanya, kung gusto niyang ilaglag yung werewolf, or pwede niyang x-ray yung mga kapwa niya, mga citizens. Kasi ang goal ninyo is to, yan yung werewolf, i-eliminate.
Patayin lahat ng
Pero ang downside nun, yung werewolf, malalaman nila na ikaw si fortune teller, so i-eliminate kayo ng werewolf mamaya. So, okay.
So, dapat galingan ng doktor, no?
So, timer starts now.
Ano gawin ko? Ay, nalaglag.
Okay, sige. 30 seconds.
Hindi niya alam kung ano siya, kung doctor siya or not.
Wala na fortune TV.
Ah, shush! Pili na kayo. Na, ang huli ka. Ayaw ko na. Eliminate! Eliminate na?
Elimination na.
Nang citizen?
Oo.
Werewolf?
Werewolf pala. Kung sino yung gusto nyong eliminate.
Dati
Hulaan
LP.
nyo kung sino yung werewolf, okay?
Si Ate LP.
AJ yan.
AJ yung AJ.
2, 1, 0.
Saan nakaturo?
Sino nakaturo? Sino
AJ.
po? Okay, 1. Oh, si